He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape again.
He ain't been seen in two days.
Your John will be fine.
Y epalagunok ongi etorri Last of Chapelen kanalera ongi etorri Red Dead Redemption honetara. Nago egiten froga ea YouTubera ekarri aldizuedan Red Dead Redemption historia. Oso egon nintzen beste unean frogatzen ea ordenagailuan jogatzeko aukera nuen, eta badirudi baietz. Eta frogatzen ari naiz ea grabatu eta jogatu baldudan aldi berean. Eta ondo baldin badoa agian zuzenekoak ere izango ditugu. Beraz hasiko gara partida berri batekin eta barrea zen moduz moldatzen garen aurrera. Bai.
Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
Okay, Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying. It's weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There. Arthur! Any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know. An old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah!
good? See what we've got in terms of food. Davy's dead.
There was nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you were gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Micah scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them. This, just for a short bit. I don't see what other choice we have. Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had a bad couple of days. I love Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground, in their stead, I'd do it. Gladly. But we're gonna ride out, and we're gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right. We've got some work to do.
We ain't run into them yet. So, they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We missed you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh. Hey, you need horses? Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand. Get indoors, son.
Ba, bueno, ba, sarrera honen ostean hasiko gara ia jokoan pizkanaka ea dena ondo doan, eta horrela, ba, bueno, YouTubeen izateko gameplay guztia.
Ain't sure what we're gonna find out here, Dutch.
Eta hemen gaude 1889an, eta mundu gerra 5 urte beranduago gertatzen da, beraz, agian hau azkenengo gaizkilea kakotzen artean direla esan dezakegu. Baina, bueno, hemen gaude jendea bilatzen egiten duen ulertu honekin, ideia txarra, bueno. Imaginatzen dut, Nueva Yorken eta bat jendea kotxeekin edo gertu, eta hauek ordea saldizketa garroekin. Zen apur bat euren erritmora. Hiru cowboy bagina moduan, hiru cowboy gara.
Ask him if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Didn't see much of anything once he stormed came in.
He hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere too. Hey, Arthur, let me take the rear. You move up.
You sure about this, Micah?
Mr. Morgan, I never thought I would be so pleased to see your face. Been kind of lonely out here. Where's everyone else?
Old mining camp back up the hill.
Huddled around a fire, waiting for Daddy to put food on the table. Said it before, we got too many mouths to feed.
Well, we got a few less now, so you should be happy.
That ain't fair, Arthur. I earn my share. You think it's unreasonable to expect others to do the same?
So, this house. You speak to the people there already?
No. Like Dutch told us. Look, but don't talk to no one. Okay, let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Snuff and stash those lanterns, boys. Best you two lie low on this. Okay, let's head down there.
Goazen pixkanaka jaisten hemen. Vale. Bizitza hor bihotza agertzen duen tokian agertzen da, ez gaude ondo. Bueno.
Let's hitch up here.
Vale. Y-koa saldia lotu ahal izateko.
Let me do the talk. We don't want to scare these folks.
Vale, Dutch jauna.
Someone's having fun in there.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than three nasty-looking degenerates. Mike, hide behind that way. Arthur, you take that old shed on the left and stay low, both of you.
Vale, RB.
Hello? Excuse me? Hello? Oh, well, hello, Grant.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into
Vale, ahí. Vale.
Didn't seem to be going too well.
Goddamn O'Driscoll boys here! Why?
I don't know. Maybe same reason as us.
Micah, go bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Vale. Gasen leku hau erakatzera.
Party in here. Turn the place upside down.
Vale.
Grab as many
Hortu barko ditugu gauzak. Den hartuko dugu. Dugunik eta gehien.
You should eat something now. Get your strength up for the ride back.
Gaieta guretzat.
O'Driscoll's. I don't believe it.
It's a strange one, all right. Maybe they're hiding up here, too. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head. Nearly as big as the one on yours. Big old pool of blood on the floor here. I saw him. Probably the poor bastard who lived here. Micah found a dead body in the wagon outside.
Vale, badirudi hemendik. Bueno, ez topatu dugula. Hemen sendagai apur bat.
Place is dry, warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get
Gora.
I don't really want us to split up. Keep searching while I pack these on the horses.
Hemen. Gartutxak. Vale. Hortik badirudi ez dagoela ezer. Eta hemendik bera. Ez hortik. Bera aurrerantza hemen. Dirua. Bale, hor badirudi ez dagoela ezer. Ambientazio oso ondo dago, nahiko iluna eta bar.
Poor bastard was married too.
Atzerantza. Bale, atzeko lehioaren argia da, bale. Berdin zaigu, bale.
Come on, Arthur! Get a move on! Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff.
Vale.
Arthur, go see if there's anything in that barn. Micah, you search the cabin.
No, lurretan ibiltzea ez da dirudi mesein erreza. Borroka nahi duzu zuk orain?
Bloody scarlet, I'm gonna break your neck.
What's going on?
Now this guy just jumped. Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
Bai, nahiago dut hitz egiten jartzea hemen, golpekazio baino.
At an old mining camp southwest of here, near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done.
I don't know anything else. Please.
Get the hell out of here.
Bai, hobeto. Agian ez daukare izan, baina bueno. LB. Eta txanoa, noski. Vale, salditxoa. Da se salditxo. Vale, guazen. Vale, saldia postera nago dugu.
Yeah. Figured he won't get far in this anyway.
That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him.
Noski gatuko gala. Salditeria harina.
Micah, what the hell are you? Whoa, look, I found in the cellar. Wild thing, ain't ya?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Michael. Look at her. Miss. Are you...
Fucking fool! Micah!
Miss. Now, it is gonna be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss.
Bueno, utxiko dizuet hemen. Segundo bare bat.
We need to get out of here and quick. Come on. You okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago. And my husband,
You are safe now. Can't stay here. Come with us.
Miss, it's okay. We're bad men. You ain't that.
Bueno, berdin da.
It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss?
Hor, dena zute bat egin dugu hildakoak ere, bueno.
Sadie Adler. Mrs.
he was my husband.
Bai.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back!
How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but we weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there. There is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets. little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something. And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
Oso sutila bai, Williamson. Bai, gordeko dugu.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape
he
again.
ain't been seen in two days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the two best fit men we've got.
Now?
Jesus. We're pretty worried about it.
I know. The situation were reversed. Look for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river. For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back. He wouldn't leave. Not like that. Wouldn't be the first time.
Ja ez gertatzen den orain. Ez, manez.
Hey, I see some smoke. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Well, seems somebody left. Recently. And that way.
Sure, well, come on then.
Vale. Orain. Jarriko dugu hau. Zaldiarekin. Horrekin badiru gordetzen dela. Eta
There's some tracks leading to the river.
ja, bueno, orain ez dugu nahi hori ikusi.
Let's cross. See, they continue up that way.
You think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure.
Vale, zaldiak ere badauka bere
Let's just see where they lead.
bizitza.
So,
Gustatzen zait zaldi hau hemen.
what really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. Then suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkerton. It was crazy. Raining bullets.
Pinkerton formatuak. Lapurrak eta bara harrapatzen zituztenak.
Dutch killed a girl in a bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him, though.
Ba, bale, kontuz hemen elurretan.
Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know.
Leku arriskutsua dago hemendik egoteko.
By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Bad business, all right. You're all right, boy. Damn snow's coming in hard again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast.
Cámara cinematográfico. Vale, hor armak eta bar aukeratzeko. Tipitapa, tipitapa.
Come on, boy.
I can see the tracks here, Arthur.
Horses are getting tired.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. We can't follow nothing.
Hori mexikarra izango da seguro.
Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
A ver.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that?
Pues sí ser. Las ha hecho.
John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater.
Let's see if he can hear us.
A ver. Agian hemen tirak botatzea ez da ideiarik onena.
Up there!
Oazen. Itxaron. Vale.
Shotgun from your horse. Who knows what's up ahead? Grab your shotgun. Come on.
LB, a ver.
Down this way.
Itxaron. A ver. Vale, ser. La LB saldría en arma. Vale. Ni daukar nadari ez du nioke eskopeta deituko.
About this.
It's coming from this way.
Okay.
Careful here.
Ja,
Mierda, we're high up here.
You're telling me.
a ver.
Drops down here. Watch yourself. Watch out here.
Vale, pizkanaka, pizkanaka. Vale, kontuz.
Up this way.
Ez da ezer ikusten.
Come on. That sounds closer now. Come on. We're coming, John.
Joder. Leku zailagorik ez egon jateko, ez da?
How you doing? I'm miserable. Been a tough few days. I know.
Here. Take a drink of this.
Thanks.
Not designed for this snow. Let's keep moving then. Come on. John, can you hear me?
Marston, you hear me?
Vale.
John,
Da orduan bestea. Osea, izena gogoratzen nuen behintzat.
that's John. We're coming. Down here.
Ba, goatzela.
Get down here. Down here.
All right. Hot down, Marston. That's quite a scratch you got there.
Never thought I'd say this, but good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good neither. Freezing.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre. Well, can't go back the way we came. Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Oso txar gainera.
With you there.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
Sure you did.
You alright?
Bai, hiltzeko ele ere badakit.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out. Look up there.
Ai. Otxoak.
Head for the horses. I'll keep John's friends off until you're clear.
Alright, John, come on. Let's get you on that horse. We're getting you out of here. Bring them this way. Draw them off us, Arthur. Good work, Arthur. Okay, let's get going before any more of these bastards show up.
Lleva de espada. Otxorik ez dago bertan, beraz, ba, bueno. Vale, goazen gora. Ni pontxori behar dut.
Come on then. Let's get back to the others. Yeah.
I don't feel too good.
You'll be fine. It's just like a dog bite. Okay, we have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says, unlucky.
You should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose the scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know, we're gonna
Y
need
de
to
yo
come up with
nada.
a better story for that scar.
So,
Men... Vale, eso de jo egin dezakegu hemen, ba, hemen. Eta orain...
freezing, bleeding, starving, damn near getting eaten to death ain't good enough for you.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead, John? That's where we camped. Nearly there. Come on! Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here? Can we get some help? I need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Here we go. There we go.
Ay, careful, idiotas! It's his leg.
Come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you.
got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
You and Dutch talk about how we're gonna get out of this.
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East, into all that civilization.
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss. Let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
We've been running for weeks. We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait and thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
Bo, lagunok uste dut hemen utziko dudala. Eta horrengoan jarraituko dugula, agur.